Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you all how to stick the tank pad basically. Well, I'm still on the coastal ride. If at all you all are interested in watching that, I'll be linking the videos up here somewhere. So basically let's just get started on how to attach the tank pad. Firstly guys, you have to wash your bike, or if it is clean, just dust it off a bit, and make sure just to put it in a rough spot as to where it might come eventually. Don't forget to use masking tape, because masking tape will not leave any glue residue as such, and it will hold the tank pad at one spot while you adjust it and all. I found it a bit easier to do it this way rather than just removing the rear backing and just directly sticking it up. Make sure you securely attach it once it's all done. And well, time to remove the backing. I did it a 50-50% wise. I started peeling off the top side and then just cut off the backing and stuck that side. And then once I stuck it up, I removed the masking tape from the lower section and just removed the backing and stuck it on. And it turned out pretty good, as you'll see in the later part of the video that it was quite good. And now for a little plastic peeling sound for you guys. So guys, like as you saw, it was pretty easy. It's not too difficult. Just need to make sure that you use masking tape. Masking tape is best. If you use the other one, there's that glue residue which remains, so don't do that. And yeah, pretty simple, and protects the tank from scratches basically from the belt buckle and all. Can be done on any bike, doesn't matter. So that's it. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. More playlists and other things will be added here. Bye.